Guys, I got this product from this popular brand, Volport. They are into the designing, producing and sales of top quality car mounts. Before I tell you the features of this car mount, I would love us to unbox this together. This looks good. Follow me guys as I go install it in my car. In the package, we have the top magnetic port, sticky bracket, air vent clip, fixing nut, and in this bag, we have 2 metal rings, adhesive sticker, alignment cards, 2 protective films, and 4 alcohol pads. This magnetic car mount can be installed in 2 ways, the air vent and the dashboard bracket. First, I got the fixing nut and I placed it that way. Then I pushed the sticky bracket into the top magnetic port. I then rotated the fixing nut so that it becomes firm. The next thing is to take out your cleaning pad, that is the alcohol pad, to clean the surface of your dashboard so that it removes dirt. Remove the protective layer on the sticky bracket and you place the sticky bracket on your dashboard that way, but you have to wait for 24 hours for you to be able to use this sticky bracket. Clean the back of the phone where you would be applying the protective film. Peel off the protective film and apply it to the back of the phone. When this is done, select the alignment card best for your phone. Remove the protective layer on the sticky parts and place it onto the back of your phone, just as you can see me do. Ensure you place the card properly. After that is done, take one of the metal rings, peel off the protective tape and set the ring inside the protective guide. And thereafter, take out the alignment card. Now, everything is carefully aligned. So the next thing is just to put it on your top magnetic port. This magnetic car mount can swivel 360 degrees. Just see, you can twist it to any direction you want. The magnetic force is top notch and you can use it over and over again. Let me show you how to install the air vent. It's not so different from the first one, just that you'll be replacing the sticky bracket with the air vent clip, just as you can see. So after doing that, you would rotate the knob to extend the hook. This hook can go in and come out, depending on the length you want. When you are done extending it, you will insert the hook to lock the air vent. Very easy. So now this is my air vent. I will just be placing the hook into it that way and I will rotate the knob like in clockwise direction to lock it. And that's it guys. So you get your phone again with the metal rig already at the back and I will just place it on it. It magnets so fast and it also has 360 degrees free adjustment. This product is a must-have for every car owner and I really recommend it. You can get yours now on Amazon. You can purchase yours through the link in the description box to get a 10% discount.